To block no caller ID on iPhone. First, open Settings, then tap Apps, then tap Phone, and scroll to Call Filtering. Then turn on Unknown Callers. So calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts are filtered instead of ringing through. And if your iPhone shows the older option, tap Silence Unknown Callers and turn that on. After that, calls from unsaved numbers including many no caller ID and unknown calls will be silenced and sent away from your normal incoming flow, while missed calls and voicemails can still be reviewed later. And that is the fastest way to handle no caller ID calls on iPhone, because Apple's current phone settings let you manage unsaved callers directly from the phone section in Settings. And Apple says unknown callers can be filtered or silenced, while contacts, recents, and some numbers found in mail or messages may still come through. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point iPhone tutorials. Like the video and comment what tutorial you want next.